Happy Teacher, Happy Teachers' Day. In India, September 5th every year is celebrated as Teachers' Day after the birthday of our former President Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who or what is a teacher? A teacher is one who enables us to grow. A teacher is one who guides us on the path, a path that would be very difficult for us to manage if it weren't for the guidance. A teacher is one who can see the potential in the student and then help the student understand how they can manifest that potentiality. A teacher is one who enables us to love life and live life to its fullest. This may sound like a very hypothetical, high-ended idea about what a teacher is, but I personally have been blessed with such wonderful teachers in my life. Growing up with my parents, my gurus, Swamiji and Ammaji, having the benevolent guidance of Renukaka, the beautiful, soulful guidance I have got from my music and dance gurus, Adiyar Lakshman sir, Sri Rangam Ranganathan sir, Thiruvarur Krishnamurti sir, the guidance in how one can be in touch with the divine through the music, the dance and the yoga. The blessings of so many elders in my life right from day one. People who have cared about me, people who have tried to help me manifest my potential, and they have done so in such a loving manner. All my teachers at Bhavans Gandhi Vidyashram in Kodaikanal, each and every one of them has influenced my life so profoundly. And of course, my professors in medical school who have enabled me to understand that link, the link between our spirituality and modern science through medicine. This is continued with the benevolent blessings of my research guru, Dr. Madan Mohan, sir, who has enabled me to find so many questions that we are continuing to try and find answers for regarding yoga as a science of wellness. I have been blessed with elders who, even if they have not been direct teachers for me, have given me their blessings. These include Shankaranarayanan sir, who has given me an insight into the greatness of music. The wonderful guidance we get day in, day out from Sethuraman sir, our Vice Chancellor, A.K. sir, our Dean. Beautiful people, beautiful human beings who live life as it should be, live life with meaning. This is why a teacher doesn't even have to often teach with words. They teach by just living the life as they are. We students can learn from them by just observing them, seeing what they do and also seeing what they don't do. The greatest of teachers, the greatest of gurus is Dakshinamurti. And Dakshinamurti teaches in silence. And that is the highest teaching. Let us all try to be teachers for ourselves. When we learn lessons by the mistakes we make in our own life, we can teach ourselves. Learning from others, well, that is one way to learn. And then help others who are on the same path, our fellow human beings who are struggling with their lives, enabling them to struggle less, enabling them to realize their potential. when we start sharing our experiences with others, when we start helping them find their own potential and manifest it, at that point, we too become teachers. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of my beloved teachers and my beloved students who enable me to be a teacher, and to each and everyone who has come into my life, teaching me something or the other, what to be, what not to be, how not to be, and also in advance to all those who are going to come into my life, teaching me even more. Namaste.